Welcome to this ASP.NET Core Smart Table Extractor tutorial. This control identifies table regions, headers, columns, and merged cells in PDFs. It extracts each table as clean, analysis-ready JSON with preserved header structure and per-cell confidence scores. In this video, I will show you how to get started with the Syncfusion ASP.NET Core Smart Table Extractor. You will see how to create an ASP.NET Core web app, install the Smart Table Extractor package, and extract table data as JSON. The prerequisites for this tutorial are Visual Studio 2022 or later, and the .NET 9.0 SDK or later. Now, let me show you how to create an ASP.NET Core web app in Visual Studio. I open Visual Studio and select Create a New Project from the dashboard. From the list of templates, I choose ASP.NET Core Web App and click Next to continue. Then, I enter the project name and click Next again. I proceed with the default configuration and click Create to generate the application. Next, I will show you how to install the Smart Table Extractor in the application. I open the NuGet Package Manager and switch to the Browse tab. I search for the Syncfusion Smart Table Extractor .NET Core package. Select it, click Install, and choose Apply to add the package to the solution. After that, I accept the license agreement, and the package is successfully installed. To avoid the license validation message in the output, I open the program CS file and register the Syncfusion license key using the Register License method. To find out where to generate the license key, please refer to the link in the description below. I'm going to extract the table data from this document as JSON. I open the index.cs HTML file, remove the existing code, and add a button for table data extraction. To handle the button click, I navigate to the home controller CS file and import the required namespace. Then, I define an action method with the return type iActionResult. Inside this method, I create a file stream to read the input PDF. I provide the file path, set the mode to File Mode Open, and specify File Access Read to load the document. Next, I create a Table Extractor instance. I extract the table data by calling the ExtractTableAsJSON method and passing the file stream. I convert the returned JSON string into a byte array. Finally, I return the file to download by passing the stream, the content type, and the file name. Now, I save and run the application. When I click the button, the JSON file downloads. As you can see, the table data from the input document has been successfully extracted as JSON. In this video, I have shown you how to get started with the Syncfusion ASP.NET Core Smart Table Extractor. You can download this video's working example from the GitHub link in the description below. I have also shared a link to check if you qualify for a free community license to access all our Document SDK products. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.